What's up everybody, Colin here for Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at a newer case from Otterbox, and this is the Otterbox Profile Series for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's also available for the 17 series as well as the regular 17 Pro. And in my opinion, this is kind of a light version of the Defender XT. The Defender XT has the clear back as well. This is obviously just a one-piece case, which the Defender XT is kind of just a one-piece case as well. It's got the back piece and then it's got the bezel insert, whereas the regular Defender is a two-piece case where it's got the rubber outer shell and then the plastic inner shell. This is just a one-piece case. There's nothing to take off or remove. We'll go ahead and pop it on the phone here and take a look at it. It's a simple case. It runs around $39, $40 on Amazon. They do have a couple different colors, I believe, but I just got the standard black and clear. You can see we do have the MagSafe support. One thing I don't like that Otterbox has been doing lately is they're only giving you this half ring for the MagSafe. As you can see, you don't have a full circle and you don't have the alignment ring down here. So if you put on a heavier accessory like a power bank or something like that, it does tend to want to turn side to side because you don't have the little stem down there on the bottom. I don't have any, here's another case. You can see what I'm talking about. Here's regular MagSafe. This is an Apple case. This is the tech woven case. You've got the full circle and then you've got the little alignment stem down there. So this does not have that, and Otterbox has been doing that lately, even on the full-size Defenders. And like I said, when you put a heavier accessory, like a power bank or something like that on the phone, it tends to want to kind of turn side to side. Most car mounts I've seen with this have been okay. I haven't had any issues with my phone wanting to like turn like that because it's strong enough, but there are some accessories that you just want to keep in mind that they don't play very nicely with this half MagSafe kind of thing that Otterbox is doing for some reason. On the newer Defenders, they do have a pass-through for the camera control. As you can see, this one just has the cutout, so you do have the recessed cutout, which I don't like. I like that a lot of cases are going to the pass-through sensor, you know, like the Apple one has here, where it's not a cutout. It actually just passes your finger input right through the case there. That is my favorite style because you don't have to get your finger down in that cutout, which this case has. So a couple things to keep in mind there. You know, if you want to spend another $30, you can get a full Defender. Obviously, the Defender is a little bit more bulky. This one is kind of just a smaller, dumbed down case. You know, if you're looking for the Otterbox brand, but you don't want something too thick, it does protect the camera plateau pretty nicely. You know, a lot of the scratch points are going to be right there on the edge of the plateau from what we've seen in the early Scratchgate videos and all that kind of stuff. But it does have a raised bezel around the plateau in the camera, so when you put the phone down, your camera is not directly touching the table. It also keeps it from rocking, so you can pretty much hit anywhere on the phone except for like the very top corner up there. But other than that, it won't rock, so that's pretty nice. You do have protected buttons and everything like that. Volume, action button up there, and then you have your port cutouts down here with your speakers and your USB-C. So pretty nice right there. And I'm thinking the reason they put this little half down here is because that's where the Apple logo is. I just saw that. But pretty decent case for 40 bucks. Obviously there's cheaper out there, but if you're looking for the Otterbox brand, like I said, $40 will get you this Profile Series case for your iPhone 17 Pro. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.